Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Project. So guys, in this video we are going to learn that how we can convert the image into sketch with the help of Python. So I am going to show you that how a sketch is look like. So here is my image. When I open it, then you will see it's my image and the our sketch is look like this. So we are going to convert the image into sketch with the help of Python. So I'm not going to take lots of time. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Now guys, I am on my pick to sketch.py, and if you want to create your new, just simply click on file, new file, then you will be on the new page and give it a name as you want to give. I'm not going to create another one, simply cancel it and start our coding, importing our first library, which is import cv2, and just simply click enter, importing our second sub library, which is from imagio dot core dot util import image, and remember the image with capital I, and creating the another variable. So you can give it any variable. I am giving it a image which is equal to cv2 dot im read. And what we are going to read, we are going to read the image which we want to convert it into the sketch. So I am giving it a 1.jpg, which is here, and it's jpg not png, yeah. And just simply click enter and creating the another variable which is need to for gray image, for graying the image, which is equal to cv2 dot cvt color. And in this we are going to call a variable comma cv2 dot the color underscore bgr to gray, and just simply came out. And creating the another variable, I'm giving it a invert, you can give as your choice, which is equal to cv2 dot bitwise bitwise not, and just simply open the bracket and give call a variable gray image, and that's it. Create the another variable blur, which is equal to cv2 dot Gaussian blur. So GAU, here is my Gaussian blur. Simply click enter and give the bracket with invert comma with another bracket, give 21 comma 21, came out with the single bracket and comma 0, and came out the bracket, and simply click enter. After that, create the another variable which is invert blur, and you can give it any variable. I am giving it a invert blur, which is equal to cv2 dot bitwise, here is my bitwise not, and just simply call a variable in a bracket. So here I am calling blur, and came out with that. And simply type another variable which is sketch, which is equal to cv2 dot divide, open the bracket, call a variable gray image, and comma, call another variable invert blur, here is my invert blur, with a scale which is equal to, with a scale of 256.0, and close the bracket and simply click enter. Now just simply last line of the code is cv2 dot I am write. Here we are going to write means we are going to output, we are going to take our sketch with a name. You can give it any name. I am giving it a output dot png, and came out with that comma sketch. And that's it guys, this is the coding for converting the image to sketch. I'm simply going to run, then you will see that our output image is already, where it is, yeah, it's generated, guys. Here it is. I'm simply going to open it, then you'll see our sketch is ready, and I'm going to show you that our input image is this and we have the sketch this. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to give every answer of your question.